Welcome to our science class. Today we are going to learn that our big environment has living and non-living things. There are many living and non-living things all around us. Living things like us. Because we breathe.
Play this record as frequently as possible.
Eat, drink, and grow up. Think and observe. What else in our environment can be living? Yes, plants and birds, animals, and underground worms. All of them eat, breathe, and grow up. Non-living things as rock, water, and air because they don't eat, breathe, and grow up. Think for a while and try to find an answer. What do animals need to live and survive? Animals need shelter. A shelter is a place where an animal can be safe. Animals need space to grow. They need space to move around and find food. Animals need food and water to grow and stay healthy. Some animals eat plants, some eat other animals. Still others eat both plants and animals. Animals need oxygen, gas and air. Land animals use their lungs to breathe in oxygen. Like us, some water animals like whales have lungs. They breathe air. Fish do not have lungs. How do they breathe? Yes, they use gills to get oxygen. Do you think that all the animals are the same or different? Of course, they are not the same. There are many kinds of animals. A mammal has fur or hair and drinks milk, such as people do. Also, some animals are mammals, like horse, giraffe. Birds. A bird has feathers, beaks, and wings. Birds lay eggs. Reptiles has dry skin. Most reptiles have 4 legs, but snakes are reptiles with no legs. Turtles are reptiles. They may have legs or flippers. Amphibians. Most amphibians has smooth, wet skin. Toad are amphibians with rough, bumpy skin. Amphibians lay their legs in water. Young amphibians live in the water. Most grown amphibians live on land. Fish. Fish have fins to swim. They have gills to take in oxygen. An insect has 3 body parts and 6 legs. A hard shell keeps its body safe. A spider has 8 legs. It is not an insect.